Hi, this is the section of START that tends to capture the imagination first. So I'm in personal profile view. And if we scroll down, we can see this section, About Me, where we are asking questions, just click answer questions, that leads to job recommendations with via an algorithm. So each of these sections, and you can see here the numbers, these are how many of the options I've selected. So you go through these in turn. And if we go to my qualities, all of the pages look similar to this. And they're asking questions of, do I believe I am adaptable? So I can, maybe I'm not excellent, maybe I'm good. So, and students go through each of these questions and ranks them. At the end of this journey, there is a jobs that suit my profile. If you click this, the algorithm has taken all the data that's been selected before and ranks jobs from the database against that profile. And we can have a look. So graphic designer, let's say, is something that interests me as a student. It's saying there's strong availability in the local job market based on LMI data. My suitability is fair, so I can have a look at more detail of that. Clicked show more, and it presents graphic designer. Just wait a second. Here we go. So here's the full profile of a graphic designer. And from here, I can be looking at live job vacancies, traineeships, apprenticeships. But also I can look at if we look at the is this for me, we can see here, this is how the algorithm has then looked at the things I've been clicking. So in terms of skills required, I didn't happen to have clicked presentation skills. If I had clicked presentation skills as excellent, for instance, this would absolutely still have been towards the top of the recommendations from the algorithm. If I rate it as, oh, actually, I'm not very good at presentation skills, so I'm going to say I'm weak at that. If I'd done that earlier in the cycle, then graphic designer may not have been quite so high to the top of the selections. So students can go through that process, look at the jobs, then dive deeper into some of those jobs. And if there is things, as there were with presentation skills, that are particularly important for that role, then one can go away and then start ranking it. So for instance, here's some interests required that I haven't rated that I could now go ahead and rate. So that's the use of the diagnostic, if you like, and how it leads to jobs and interests, and how students can give a thumbs up or a thumbs down and save those jobs in their profile.